Hello, this is Reverend Sheila E. Johnson. Today, I want to remind you that you are a wonderful, unique, infinite, divine soul. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu, and I apologize as I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but I will look that up and learn exactly how to pronounce his name. This makes me think of patience as a virtue and everything in divine timing. What thoughts come to your mind? Manifesting in this human experience, it can be exhilarating, yet exasperating. I have found that patience for things to arrive is the most exasperating. How about for you? It would be kind of funny though, if for a second I thought, oh, I think I'd like a banana for lunch, and it just appeared. But then, of course, I would change my mind. And then, let's say I thought of something else I was thinking, I might like, and then it appeared. So, in some regards, that's a little funny, so I can understand. But, our thoughts, true desire, putting that out there, taking action, all of these things definitely bring us our manifestations, whether they're positive or they're negative. So I've been working on, where I work on the positive, where I like to be in the future, things that I want, these kind of things where I like to be, and many have come, and I have even more bigger dreams. So for manifestation, relax, go to your safe place, dream and desire, and then when intuition hits, take action, and you will get there. All right, thank you. And as always, I am here to help resolve problems, any problems or pains that you may have in your life, relationships, yourself, situations. Sending you guys much love, light, healing, and abundance. First, be love, light, and abundance to yourself, and then you can for everyone else. This is Rev Sheila E. signing off for now. Until next time, thank you and namaste.